In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how I create these miniature rescue videos. The same type of content pulling 10 to 27 million views per video on TikTok right now. And before you think this is complicated, it's not. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need editing skills. I made the video you're about to see in under 5 minutes. This niche has almost zero competition right now. Multiple accounts are consistently hitting millions of views per upload, and barely anyone is posting this on YouTube and Instagram yet. That window is open, not for long. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact step-by-step process to create these yourself, from setup to final edit, so you can start posting and getting views this week. And stick around, because at the very end, I'm going to show you the one editing trick that tripled my watch time overnight. You don't want to miss that. First, you need a topic for your video. I've already created a prompt that does all the thinking for you. The link is in the description. Go grab it now. Copy that prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it in, and hit generate. Within seconds, you'll get 10 ready-to-use miniature rescue video ideas. Pick whichever one feels right to you. Not all 10 ideas are equal, though. You want a topic with a clear rescue moment, something where a small creature or character is in obvious danger and gets saved. That tension is what keeps people watching all the way through. Once ChatGPT gives you the 10 ideas, pick the one that excites you most. And if none of them feel right, no problem. Just type your own topic directly into the prompt box. Something like, a tiny frog trapped in a flooding puddle gets rescued. The more specific and visual, the better. I've picked my topic. Now I'll paste it in and hit generate. ChatGPT will now give you two things. First, an image prompt. This is the description you'll use to create your miniature scene. Second, a video prompt. This is the exact motion, camera angle, and action sequence for your rescue. Think of it as the blueprint for your entire video. Now we need to turn that image prompt into an actual visual. And for that, we're using OpenArt AI. This is an all-in-one AI tool that handles both image and video generation in one place, which means you won't need to juggle multiple apps just to make one video. The link is in the description. Click it and create a free account. When you sign up, OpenArt gives you free credits right away, so you can follow every step of this tutorial without spending anything. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the right. You'll see image, video, and characters. We're starting with image, so go ahead and click that now. This opens the main image generation interface. At the top of the interface, you'll see a model button. Click it. This opens a list of AI image models. Don't get overwhelmed. For miniature rescue videos, the two best options are GPT Image 2 and Nano Banana. They produce the most realistic and detailed miniature scenes. I'm going with Nano Banana. Click your choice and it loads automatically. Now scroll down to the prompt box and paste in the image prompt that ChatGPT gave you. Paste it exactly as it is. Just below the prompt box, you'll see a toggle called Auto Polish. Switch that on. It automatically improves your prompt before the AI processes it, which gives you sharper results without any extra work from you. Now click Settings and apply these three things. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. That's vertical format, which is exactly what TikTok, Reels, and Shorts require. Set image quality to 2 to keep it fast. And set images per prompt to 2 so you have options to pick the best result. Now hit Generate. It'll take about 20 to 30 seconds. What you're looking for is a realistic miniature images is ready. Once your image is generated, hover over it. At the bottom, you'll see an image to video button. Click it. Your image loads automatically on the right side, but there's a default prompt already in the box, and delete that. Now switch back to your ChatGPT tab and copy the video prompt it generated earlier. Come back to OpenArt and paste it into the prompt box. Now scroll up and click the model button on the right side. You'll see several AI video models. Seedance, Kling, VEO3. I'm using Seedance for this one because it handles miniature rescue scenes the best in my testing. Once selected, scroll back down. Make sure the audio option is enabled. This matters for the final feel of the video. Hit Settings, set your aspect ratio to 9:16, then choose your video duration. I'm going with 10 seconds, long enough to tell a story, short enough to keep people watching. Hit Generate and your image starts becoming a video. Your video will be ready in about 20 to 25 seconds. And when it is, it looks genuinely engaging. But here's the problem, it's only 10 seconds long. TikTok won't monetize videos under 60 seconds, so one clip is not enough. You need 2 to 3 clips to build a complete video. The good news, the process is identical each time. Go back to ChatGPT, grab a new topic idea from the list it already generated, and run it through the same prompt. You'll get a fresh image prompt and a fresh video prompt. Generate the image in OpenArt, convert it to video using the same settings. Same model, same 9:16 ratio, same 10-second duration. Repeat that until you have 3 separate video clips. I'll show you exactly how to combine them into one final video in the next step. And that part takes less than 2 minutes. Once you have your 3 to 4 clips downloaded, open CapCut and hit import. Drag your clips onto the timeline in the order you want them to play. Between each clip, add a quick cut transition. Nothing fancy. Fast cuts actually perform better than fancy effects on short-form content. For music, pick something tense or suspenseful during the rescue scene and let it resolve at the end. CapCut's free library has options that work perfectly for this. Keep your total video length between 45 and 60 seconds. Long enough to qualify for monetization, short enough that people watch it all the way through. Once it looks right, hit export and save it to your device. And that's the complete workflow, from zero to a fully generated miniature rescue video ready to upload. All the AI tools I used are linked in the description below. ChatGPT for the prompts, OpenArt for the image and video generation, CapCut for the edit. Everything you need is there. Now look at this final result. This entire video was built with AI and this is exactly the type of content getting millions of views right now. If you followed every step, you can have your first one ready today.